your wish. That's going to explain the scene. It's not for hard.
Oh, this guy is tricky.
I can't fit him doing.
How many more of these do we have to do?
Waste.
No.
I say, did it pass the light? Nobody touched him, miss.
How was it? Because none of us moved. Father did that as sneak it.
Didn't put them off. You've seen what guns are. It's no safe.
I know, that's cursed.
Thanks, DNS.
Look, no, I'm ready to get home. What's going on?
What happened this time? Arthur seems fine.
I'm stuck.
Me and Albert are stuck.
For honour's sake, my wife to guard the lights.
Aye, good idea.
It's nae me. I got a minder the aim.
Would y'all Kakane? Didn't panic and stop making sick a racket. What's going on?
And I can fit today.
I'm getting a heebie-jeebies. That's more like it. Quit at last.
Hey, high five.
Yo.
You owe me 30 smackaroonies now.
Just tuck the money and leave. Then it off. The lights.
Him fix this, you're trying to switch me.
Aye, well that's all you're getting. Away you go, you feel gape.
Is that right? No deal then.
No! I wouldn't be!